What kind of support do you actually get as a Valenta Managing Partner?
Sven helped me a lot when I first started because he was quite a good business mentor. And when I was starting up the branch in Sweden, I more or less copied what Sven had done. Like, for example, a lot of the tools we're starting to use now, like Sven had gotten me onto that. But in terms of being part of like the community of like other managing partners in that network sense, I mean, Alex in the UK, him and I catch up every now and again over Teams, and it's good to have somebody to bounce off from. Like, it's good to have like somebody that's doing the same thing as you in the same position.
We call it the tech stack groups, a whole big new technical stack of tools that we're using for outreach, for sales, for lead generation, for prospecting, for all those different things. And it pulls together in this nice integrated suite. And the training that we've had on that has been phenomenal. It's really helped us get up to speed, not only the mechanics and the steps behind what you need, but the soft skills and the pieces on the sales process that go along with that.
Mentorship, training, a global community. You're never building alone. ValentaFranchise.com.